All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I got my hood off, I got the engine exposed, and I just want to give you guys what I think, in my opinion, is one of the coolest upgrades you can do with this Ryker. So y'all stay tuned. You guys seen some of my shorts or maybe on my Instagram, you know that I had these awesome LED lights installed on this bike. And so what I found, so what was actually ordered was these Ditrio. I'm going to show you I'm going to show it to you right here. So it comes with, oh, here it goes. Ditrio. You can get this off of Amazon. So it comes with this remote, and it also comes with one of these as well. But what's really cool, the install is really simple and the light show is awesome. It also even has a mode for music. So if you have speakers on your bike, or if you just pulled up to an event, someone else is playing music, it's gonna vibe with that sound. So that's really cool when you put that setting on. Anyway, so as far as the install is really, really simple. I know it looks intimidating because of the wires, but really you get two exposed cords. So you get a negative and a positive. They're exposed wire. All you have to do is unscrew both the negative and the positive, put that wire underneath like that tab there. You just put it underneath, screw it back down, you've got power. All you have to do after that is simply just kind of wire it through the bike and get it to the desired locations. Now that may include you having to take off the front bumper or your panels, but it's very simple and very easy to do that. And then what you got is a really nice, clean looking, light show on the bike. And I really, really enjoy it. So that's really about it on the install part of it. Like I said, you just need to make sure you put that wire negative, positive, and just kind of run it through the bike. So the locations that I have, as you can see, I have two of the smaller ones here. I have two on the A-arm, so one in the back there, one in the back there. And then I found a really clever way to put them. It's hard to see, but I actually have it under here, and they sit really well under there, very out of the way. That's what I wanted. And it looks really good. It gives it a nice glow. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot about these. And I have a set right there. And it gives the whole bike just a really nice glow. I didn't want anything overwhelming. I just wanted a really nice glow on the bike. So I'm gonna pull the bike out later on tonight. I'm gonna let you guys see what it really looks like and how I have mine set up. And then you guys do as you want with yours. It's your bike, it's your world, you do what you want. But so far, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys tonight to give you the little light show. And yeah, all right, y'all. So as promised, I'm gonna give you a little nighttime shine. What's really nice that comes with this LED kit, you do get this, you get this kill button. It's very important that you use this kill button because it will drain your battery if you accidentally leave your lights on. So instead of using the controller, I always use just the kill button to turn it on and off. So we're on, we're live. And as you can see, I've got a super nice glow. I absolutely love the setup of how I have it. You can see the lights in there, the lights in there, there. It's just a really nice setup, and it's a really nice glow. So I absolutely enjoy these lights. Like I said, if you're interested in picking up these lights, these are the Ditrio. Got them off of Amazon, 65 bucks. And honestly, I went through one of my buddies who does the lights install. He actually ordered them for me. I just happened to have to finish getting the install together. But he had ordered the lights from me from Amazon. That was the brand. I like the lights. So far, so good. And if anyone is curious on the mounting tape, this is what I used. As you can see, it says Scotch Extreme Mounting Tape. This has been the best tape I've used so far. I found it at Lowe's. This roll was probably 10 bucks, I think, but they have other larger sets of rolls. But this is a really good tape that I use to mount. I mounted this set here with that tape, so I don't have any zip tie on it, and I don't have any zip tie on the ones down there. I do have these zip tied. Same with the ones inside. You probably can't see it, but those are zip tied. But the ones on the sides and down below are not. They're all stuck together with that mounting tape. So yep, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Any comments, whatever it is, put it in the comment section below, and see y'all on the next video.